Me. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Good.
Do you know where is metro?
I think metro is that side.
That side.
Yes, bus stop also
Okay.
is there.
Can I sit here?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is your name?
My name is Anya.
Anya. Okay. नाम भी मस्त है भाई इनकी तरह. My name is Nandu.
Okay, nice to meet you, Nandu.
Can I kiss? I'm just kidding. So Anya, what are you doing right now here? आपके साथ कोई कंपनी नहीं है?
I don't understand Hindi.
You can't understand Hindi.
No, I don't speak Hindi. Just maybe
You are alone.
here. Oh, yes, yes, I'm alone traveling.
अकेले इंडिया में वो भी ऐसे लड़की घूम रही है. You understand what I'm saying?
What to say?
I'm saying अकेले इंडिया में लड़की घूम रही है.
I'm not understanding Hindi. I'm just learning.
Okay, learning. So, ma'am, actually, I was there and I saw you. I found you are very beautiful.
Okay, thank
You are very
so much.
pretty, gorgeous. Oh yeah. And so you have any boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
You don't have any boyfriend. How can it is possible? Boys will die for you.
Oh, maybe.
I will also.
die.
I will also. मैं भी मर
You also
जाऊंगा
die for
यार. Yeah, I will also.
You
Oh,
speak Hindi?
yeah, I know
Okay.
Hindi. You don't. You know Hindi?
Toda.
Toda,
Just
toda.
start to get
So
learning.
I will teach you. I saw you. You are looking more gorgeous, pretty, beautiful.
Thank you so much.
जितना कहो उतना कम हो. बवाल हो तुम तो.
What you say?
You are beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah, you are very beautiful. You are. क्या बताऊँ मैं? मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मैं बोलूँ क्या. So tell me about yourself if you want to.
I'm
Tell me.
traveling here.
Yeah.
I'm studying Hindi.
You are studying Hindi.
Yes, I'm but little bit.
शर्म कर लो इंडिया वालों. लोग आके हिंदी पढ़ रहे हैं. You can't understand ना?
I'm just start my first class
Okay.
just right now.
लोग आके हिंदी पढ़ रहे हैं और इंडिया वाले जा रहे हैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ने. Tell me a sentence in Hindi.
I know धन्यवाद,
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद, namaste,
नमस्ते.
namaste.
Okay.
I know some. Okay.
So why you don't make any boyfriend? You are very cute यार. इंडिया में तो तुम्हें कोई छोड़ता
now
नहीं.
I'm not maybe, but now I'm not planning have any boyfriends.
Why? And if you're planning what features and requirements you want in your boyfriend, future boyfriend,
I want he's smart and handsome.
like me. I'm also.
Are you smart and handsome?
Yes. Can I ask you some more thing about you? Because I am Vella. Vella means
Bella, okay.
Vella. What do you understand by Vella?
I don't know what is this.
I am
Vella?
free. I am free.
Oh, I'm free.
Are you free?
If I'm say I'm Bella, it means I'm free, like I'm free by my soil, or I'm just free from what?
I am free right now. I don't have work to do.
Yeah. Correct.
So I am Vella in Indian.
Yes, I'm Bella.
So क्या तुम कभी किसी की गर्लफ्रेंड थी? No
I don't
understand.
understand what you say. Do you speak English properly?
You were in a relationship with someone
Yes,
or not?
Yes, before I have a boyfriend.
Or
Now I am
before?
free.
So, if you want, if I want to be your boyfriend, what efforts I have to do?
What efforts you have to do?
Yeah.
Should be do something very unbelievable for me.
Unbelievable. मुझे तो सब कुछ ही unbelievable है. I will always take care for you. I will.
This is unbelievable. I
Yeah.
care about myself.
No, I will also, and I will.
I want to do something special.
We will go shopping for you.
Okay, unbelievable. Okay,
We will love each other.
okay, this is good. This is maybe unbelievable. So have you?
You can trust me blindly. अंधा बन के ट्रस्ट
How I
करो.
trust you? I'm just see you right now. How I can trust?
But I want to be your boyfriend. You will be my girlfriend. We will together. So trust is the most main things in a relationship.
Yeah, but it's slowly increase.
I will marry you. Good. I will marry you.
So fast, you know. It's so fast.
Yes.
Just
fast.
please be slowly.
Can I close to you?
Okay, I don't have problem with it.
Okay. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है पास आके.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, or
No, what means you doing in your life?
I am making fool of pupils,
Okay.
talking with girls.
Oh, like,
No.
like with
Now onwards, I will not talk to another girl.
because you want to marry me, right?
Yeah. So I just want to
And
be.
you don't have a girlfriend.
No, I'm single.
Why?
तभी तो मैं यहाँ आया
What
हूँ.
you want in your girlfriend? What you want from your girlfriend?
I want. She is good looking like you.
Okay.
She has hairs like you
Okay.
and a goggle on hair like you.
Which one?
I just want you.
You just want me.
Yeah. Will you
But
be
there's
my?
many girls like me with same hair. Why you won't marry me so fast?
Because
Just show me.
I
and-
can't see like you in my surroundings.
Okay.
You are. So, you will be my girlfriend from now.
But you want to marry me, right?
So first we.
So before we have to be friends. Then.
No, friend, no friends.
After
I
you
want-
won't be marry me.
Friends, we can skip friends. Yeah,
Shall I be?
yeah, you will be.
But you asked me about my boyfriends. I want something else to be. If you want to be my boyfriends, I want something else.
I will teach you.
Oh, you want to teach me Hindi?
हाँ, you are learning Hindi?
I'm start to be learn Hindi, right?
Okay, यही तो point.
You found
ये
way
point मिल
to
गया
my
ना मुझे.
heart.
भाई अब तो बवाल मचाएगा. I will teach you Hindi
Okay, teach me right now.
right now. Okay, just say. मैं
I wanna. Okay, मैं
तुमसे.
तुमसे.
You understand what I'm saying or not?
I will not understand.
Okay. मैं तुमसे
मैं तुमसे
प्यार
प्यार
करती
करती
हूँ.
हूँ.
क्या
क्या
तुम
तुम
मुझसे
मुझसे
शादी
शादी
करोगे?
करोगे?
बिल्कुल यस. क्यों नहीं करूँगा, मैं तो पहले ही तैयार हो गया.
So what is this? What I say?
I love you. Will you marry me?
Oh my God. Okay,
So I-
you fooled me right now.
I'm ready. Please be my girlfriend, yaar.
No, I will not.
I will teach you Hindi.
I believe you, but no, I will not be your girlfriend. Sorry.
I will crying.
Cry?
I just want to be your boyfriend. Please.
Oh, please.
I will die for you. I will die for you. I will jump in lake for you. I will die. Police will eyeing
So you
and
can just. I won't be your girlfriend.
yeah,
Okay,
I
please don't do any suicide things. I will be your girlfriend. Okay?
yes. मजा आ गया भाई, मजा आ गया. इतनी आसानी से पट गई.
Happy?
Yeah, I'm very. Look at me. I am happy. And so now अब हम लोग रिलेशन में हैं, ठीक है?
Okay. For now we start relationship.
हाँ, हम लोग रिलेशनशिप में हैं, ठीक है? किस्मत देख रहे हो भाई की? So I just want to kiss you. I'm good boy.
You want to kiss me,
Yeah.
but many people around us. It's like everybody watching us. It's not
What they will do?
nicely.
Forget about those.
Look at
those
somebody watching us. So it's like not good in India to kiss.
in India.
This in India, yes.
But forget about those people. We are in relationship. Focus on me. I will focus on you.
If you're not shy,
No, I am Visharam.
no problem for you.
No, I don't have any
So you're a
problem.
brave boy.
Yeah,
You're
बिल्कुल.
not care.
I don't care about those people. I will care only for you.
Okay.
So, can we?
If you kiss me, then I also ask you something else.
What?
I will think about this. What you can do for me?
What I?
Something is crazy things. What you can do? I give you chance to kiss me, but you should be promised to do something crazy things.
Crazy.
But don't, please don't do any jumping. Okay, don't go Anywhere.
I will show you my crazy dance. But now, not now. After some
Then
time.
after I kiss you.
No, man. Anya, you are my girlfriend, yaar. Can I hold your hand?
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I kiss?
No, you promise me to crazy dance.
I will dance after some time.
Yeah, then sometime I give you kiss because of your dance.
Yes, I am brave, but they will think.
Not that much brave.
So,
Okay, not dance. Okay, what you can do else?
I will sing a song for you.
Okay, please. I want
Which one? In Hindi?
some romantic Hindi songs.
Okay,
I want
romantic.
some beautiful songs, okay?
We have in India, you know Imran Hashmi?
I want you special for me, sing some
Okay.
beautiful songs. Only special for me.
Okay, okay. This is just for you. भीगे होठ तेरे प्यासा दिल मेरा लगे अब सा मुझे तन तेरा तू ही मेरी प्यास
Okay.
तू ही मेरा जाम कभी मेरे
Go
साथ
rhythmic. Go to rhythmic.
कोई रात गुजार. So, are you impressed?
Okay, I want something more. I don't.
No,
I want something else. I want from heart. You should be singing from your heart.
from my heart.
Just maybe melody or something else. I want feel really.
आँखों में तेरी अजब सी यादें हैं दिल को बना दे जो पतंग या और दबंग
Correct.
पतंग दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो
Ashiki,
हवाएं
no
हैं.
Ashiki?
हाँ?
Ashiki?
आशिकी नो. I sing 2 songs.
Okay.
Are you impressed now? You are impressed.
Yes.
So can I kiss?
Okay. Okay. You
Okay.
can kiss me.
यही तो मैं चाहता था. Wait. Okay. किसी ने देखा तो नहीं? What happening?
Nothing.
Oh my god. This was amazing. So, can I get your number?
Okay. After kiss, you can get my number.
Thank God. So, you can type here. I got mad.
You got mad.
Yeah. This one.
Okay. Be relaxed.
Man. So, this is your number.
It's my. You can message me this number.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. So,
So now you want to leave me?
no. Actually, I am going. I will bring my mother and father for marriage proposal.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
ये शादी तो करनी है भाई बवाल है मजा आ गया. So,
You can kiss my hand also.
oh my God. अब तो क्या हो रहा है कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. ओके बाय. नाइस टू मीट यू.
Bye bye.